It's the 21st of December.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
It's ugly Christmas sweater day. I knitted this. It's got buttons so I can take the sleeves off because it is still summer and I'm very warm. Yes. It's also Short Girl Appreciation Day, which I'm also very short. So it's like my day. I almost forgot. Today is also the 21st of December, which is basically Paul Kelly, How to Make Gravy Day. You know, the song is, hello Joe, it's Dan here. Oh, the other way around. Hello Dan, it's Joe here. I hope you're keeping well. It's the 21st of December. They're ringing the last bells. Who's gonna make the gravy now? If you don't know the song, it's fabulous. And there's a little recipe of gravy. How to make gravy. Maybe I should try to make some gravy.
Just that flour, salt, a little red wine. Don't forget $1 for tomato sauce. For some sweetness and that extra tang. And give my love to Angus.
Wish us luck, Paul Kelly. I'm doing it. Oh my god.
Hello, Dan. It's Joe here.
Got too much flour. More water. He never told me you need that much. There's no one here. I wanna fight. That's good.
Please don't stab me in the back. I don't need to say that. Just my mind plays up.
Oh, it's really not. It's not
She's the one to save me. I'm gonna make some gravy. I'm gonna taste the fire. You baby. Tell 'em all I'm sorry. Kiss the skin.
How's it going? It's lumpy, but it's looking a bit more like gravy. Making gravy. Still smells like wine.
Maybe it's just thickened wine.
Maybe, I think it is. Well, he should have told me a teaspoon of this. He let me down. It's looking alright. It's still kind of winey and like that purple bit there. There's purple clumps in there. But it's pretty good.
You might need to taste it, but it'll be hot. Don't stick your finger in it.
What do you think?
Oh, it's
Beautiful. It's starting to boil. What should I do?
Turn it off.
Save me, Paul Kelly.
Okay.
Okay, taste, mother.
What do I smell?
Gravy.
Too much red wine. But there's never ever too much red wine.
Brett, taste the gravy. We did Paul Kelly's recipe because it's how to make gravy day. 21st of December. You're on the internet now. What's it like?
That's all right.
Because he's got too much red wine.
Is that my
Sarah,
red wine?
that's
Is it?
another song for you.
I'm making
It's quite
gravy.
nice.
Is one of your
It's alright.
songs.
Yeah, so she we played.
It's alright.
Quite nice.
And it's like red wine lumps. Kind of chewy. And tastes alright. A lot like wine though. Need a new verse with specifics.
Say bye to the nice people.
Bye.